between fu say wunjai wa obefumi no obefumi kwa majority will die through what that young man is doing. It's Yeboah Agyekum Francis, your teachings, go and learn more and be. It's Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Say, what to say? Ghana Medical Center, attack wa, and Yeboah, they are telling you to come and follow the process because TikTok, any other day, and I'm a platform, no, amano. And yes, sir, I always teach you way.
Internal is a Michiwasia, let's say attack, we ban so a very physical attack, and our best with
so.
Okay.
Odia
Be to once was a me, Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Me make sure me man no correct daddy. Na mama Ghana for mama for papa phone na ho ato mo a. Wo ye mama na papa o kompa ebu ma ne kwasi da ebo mpa ma Yeboah Agyekum Francis why. Me nua me se me obi anta wachi a me meta wachi. Koso na ye de oye no. Koso na ye de oye na Nyankopon ene bambofo.
I mean, me a regular person, Yeboah Agyekum Francis. By assignment na nyame de ama me. Wa hwe me ache bia me start ade me ka kire mo say. Emre bia Nyankopon woni pa odi ne begina ho. Like video no. Nyame woni pa bia odi ne gina ho ma eboa man no. Wa wo yeskani a de me ye no ompe because wano aduane kakra bi esote. Wo de wanya aduane ni bi mpo odi na esote. Ghana fo kuro ya na de aduane na hye wano. Na me kire Ghana fo niema ebeboa mo ama omo hu niema eya de papa. So wo adwempa fa Ghana fo ho a eni kwan so ne Yeboah Agyekum Francis enya asem.
Abusia, and on the 8th of June, like I said, ya check a film, first quarter, Abusia, coming second quarter, Abusia, you second quarter, we need power watching the home now, I will read the other so, Yeboah Agyekum Francis, and I'm now watching in now, come share about at their fun and come channel, causing fear and panic.
Yeboah Agyekum Francis teaches now, we have theory and practicals.
Okay.
Food be your practicals and your theory.
Yeah.
When it comes to the practicals, and yeah, no, not branch any the theory, yeah. And the day, you go about it, a man for.
Yeah.
Ghana Medical Center, cry a man approver, me, you show someone approver here. Or your science students.
Okay.
So I say, we see on your man.
Sure.
But the oil, no, but you so would die. What obefumi no, obefumi kwa. Say, Ghana ayo krobia yisuatra tiniye o Ghana ayo krobia yisuatra me to one no nothing from the spiritual world can bring the world here down only the physical world it me to one no abribia na a year bia me go check up twice in a year.
Okay.
I make sure say 6 months before the year we come no me go check up twice I go check say me live and me di bia because me didi me chobi me didi it's bia I don't know what can happen to me.
Okay.
But the spiritual world there I am safe but the physical world there me say the mission wu.
Okay.
Ghana for so akoye enipa bia Yeboah Agyekum Francis de oye amankofo bebre asati eyi omade hye efi hospitals ankofo bebre jasa omade omade hye so be call hospital because teachers no watch there no. This show is higher baby, so they want to practice it at home, and it's wrong.
Okay.
It's very wrong. Majority will die through what that young man is doing. Because okasa oko entitiemu akoje permission bibiemu akoma bonte be sade no. Because ye obi akọ medical school akọ hu na or the officer or twa say client beba na wetime yi ni yale ache no na odi na fa theory ne practicals mu ama ne ho ato no and wo check theory no online. So how will the people go and face the practicals? So they have to be their medic or their doctor themselves at home.
Okay.
Many will die through this. I never support it because me penny video, me penny all year no. But they say corporate me free physical, cyber spiritual. So when you suffer, you Pentecost, Bass, Romaya, you are not a spiritual being. A spiritual being is the one who can hear the voice of the spirit, or who can see the spirit and hear what they are saying. And your spiritual being needs the ocean knowledge. There's a big difference between knowledge and wisdom. Yeboah Agyekum, our knowledge, as our wisdom, Eti ofenra Ghana Medical Center o.
Okay.
Na onko fanti tim na mbo na baso. Na ma na baso bobi. Na edom no emfa process enko ne na ase. Na aban no so nya fa so ne so. Because when bibi platforms are being used now, because TikTok, any other, you can't stop people from going there.
Yeah.
Even if the government can do that, what you say, goddess, it's Yeboah, Agyekum Francis, your teachings, go and learn more and be somebody because they all you know who from him. And many of the people too are following it. Think he said they are doing it a bit more, but a Juma anyway, Juma, no, believe me or not, what mean yet. Respect doctors because Sebi. Police ni or some police atadia goddess who respect but say you from the quadra who are you made
that's true and okay
what you say it may catch a branch and say uncle fanti tiemu na ye man last what me dey ababontin abechire sa no mano so what you say because the oka say na no obi etio if you are all ye I was say the panic call hospital na doctors ehwe ni mu di ye tutu ye say spiritual so all who the best spiritualist okon in chain no for you 2 years na wewu and I say wa fa yale mu anto le japaje na so opese oyele ne ho o say yale du wono ma na wo fie 10 na obetuma toni na so opese oje wonkwa because oje wonkwa you think say you can still bounce backward again but yale no be at the end obeto japaje we na yale say as ekum no wonje bibia ma obusua oyele no ma na wo de ka na sa to oyele no de o maso because they think say you are alive, so they have to do anything or whatever they will do to bring you back to life. What Dayalen Paso. It's Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Say, what say Ghana Medical Center, attack wa, and Yeboah, they are telling you to come and follow the process. Because TikTok, any other day, and I'm a platform, no, amano. And yes, sir, I always teach this way.
Internal is a Mitiwasia, let's say attack, we ban as well, a physical attack, and a best
so.
Okay.
Because Obiako school for years, 8 years, UK, around the world, Juma, and I would chill in the trouble. So a patient called doctors, they are not going anymore because they listen to you and they are following your teachings and they are practicing at home on their own. Or my self doctors, many will die. Many will die. Give whoever have learned the job he or she is doing no one year. Na peace. Yeboah Agyekum.
Aye.
The way obi Ghana for but the dark side no enye. It's say adekese eba ni change. O say you say one case ka ho a. Na o please kana say scan pese ba. O na be fo no ema o so. Susu wiase. Kama so pebe be fo na ma me fi sebi. Ehwie esuosie egu ni so. Na esuosie ehwie egu so susu wiase a e de ahokire ene eka any problem. Sa ya ni plan body so you go flat what a shock. In Japan here me yada o pebe bi ne fa. Oh yes. But obi amafo ni wonu mebi. I like what he's doing. Sure. Sanity here. Oze goddess me dey oya me bo abaso.
Oh yeah.
Me nta obi a o.
Sure.
Me nya kan pe na e be nya 100 years. Asana ka iwu. Ka me pese me ti owo kra ma so obi ase. And so ye ni she ka ye ni say the besia na be dey ebisi. Ebi ankwa ama ebi so ama e be na ebi so bo manya bebi ade. Atena. Bebi am no ti obi so dia o e ko ye na obi ba e ana be du bi no so. Yes no ko na obi so aba. E sanity here. It is spiritual give birth to the physical na yen kano. Many of the beings will never believe it. I watch the movie from the world seer. I am the only seer who dining with the moon and the sun, and I am the universal seer, the only seer who can tell you what will happen in 72 hours. 24 hours belongs to God. You cannot send God. You can only praise God. You can always worship God. You cannot send God. Don't let any man of God lie to you that God be say. O papa fi abosu ni wo. O ma mi fi abosu ni wo. Omo and omo ye Nyankopon body guide. The gods of the land, omo the garden Nyankopon because Nyankopon ye mframa, omo so ye mframa. Enti wo do ayi go to Jesus abranche wo koso dia and watch the movie. The entire will be a do bia sanity.
And na me no e ka say ni maame aba bonten abedi enkomhye no ho enkomo ya wo trese ne aba monten so afa ne ba no ho no e ya de se wate na ma ne nsu no egugem woni ne ba na kasa bo ne koko se wo sere no ne nikosia ba ko ene no wo no ene ne se bofo enti ne ba no eye ne wonya na so busia maame na ka maka na maame ni audio abeto monten so amese so be ka no ho ne akwako oti audio no se ne maame no esika ansam no e de fa ye kotie message so we me subscribe button so e de mama ya no wa kai say o de be on the back on sa no upload it to the first person ya won sa e bi kanka me nkote ma me na ye ba say
kasa wo kan kan ye nipa bia be kwa ono be nyana no aduane ne wo ye nya wo so ba ye wo nya wo no aduane ne wo so wo ye mantia nkrofo be de aduane ho ni dia najo ho ni di mana moro so njire chire eye na ko ka se fa baro beto ye ma ukwa unya du be ma oduro kura ye nko amanfo so de je aduro de ade je sika be so be didi sabe mpira du asan ye funaka bompa se nipa mu na be meto na daka bi ti sa wo ni di ndi ni onipa hia yo na ada akwara o so ye ti ase akwara o ni nipa bi ye he ya me ni bebu na tan ndi ni wo wi anipa bi no be so ri ti ase wo guba na oduane ndi begu wata wi so wo ya akwara yankwa no ko school me pew sa wo ma me mfuturo na me dodo na ha sa kakra ho de apeja kakra he ndi so se bo ti ya na so wo dokora be nya wa no oduane wo ko yi wutira yi wu ye pato tebu ni na ni je ho hwe na o maye ndi sa ko to kra na ke na nipa ba hono ma wasa na yare o ma na nchire wo ba ka sefse pebus ba kunya woka na ni monti wo tete wontuma bye
Examusia wotie se ne maami go kasa ne se ne wotu ni banefo na bibia di adanse se Yeboah Agyekum Francis anye maami ne se bofu a be se wono ena da na kuma so pa na se ono ni obi a wo hwehwe ti sa be de ebia na buso ne nyina ene da ne so ti se bibi boni bi ekoto na enya ade se ebe maami ne de nti ode ayam hwehwe pa se batan ena kasa de che ne ba na so busia emfa ho ne ensem a maami aka de a che Yeboah Agyekum Francis ne wo ka che maami ne play ya enye plane fa se enye wo bia na be wiase ebe ye ne omanfo be dia to wo bia na assignment a wo de buy nti ne maame na ka no eye wate na so wo fa na nyame asoma no se wo me no eno e no be ne bra so ba abedi ewuto ya Yeboah Agyekum Francis ene enkomhye bone ya e ba fa no ho nkom na busua ka me ho ne enkotie no so na e ba be dia che nkom
busua ade na ni ya enyan o ya Ghana ni afampa ebo Yeboah Agyekum Francis why tagi Yeboah video ya asem ni so you ka say obra no o asem ka de na mfanse no ni diem na hai na oba be ka no ba bi chichira abo an ho ani esane no maame na be kasa ye nyina maame no no na eba ni say areho bia ni ho obanyim ne ba bo so me nkora woni baba asasi so ebe hwe so bi bitima je ne ba nkwa afi ni nsam ya ka bibia kire maame no maame ne nti ase etimi sro o ye Ghana ni a de obetima ye e de aboa Yeboah ne obekai Yeboah wo mpaebom asem bi say sise now the emotions eto ho a untimi analyze asem ni amanfo ahwemanim se ba be kasa no anyina me be kasa na asem ya ba onkasa nche obra na onkasa abotre asem ba si a odi emotions to nchen na wataka asem na nkasa at hand eden na hu hia pa wa asem mu Ghana for asem bi say ba ye the family asem to nchen over 30 million population hon common na mini within the nano pai Ghana for any Africa at hand and a ye gini pan kwa eden asiwo nti eba ni say de abusu asam to nchen ma me ne ka ni feelings or kasa from a mother perspective nti wodi wani to so a ade e wo so ye ebuo nipa nyina gini pan kwa asiwo Ghana ha untimi nye eniema we ya ye tu mfuturo gu nipa ni Ghana akoso for so many years nti obi atun ho asi wo say me Yeboah Agyekum Francis me make sure me ma no kore daadi na mama Ghana for ma me fon papa fo nyina ho ato mo a wo ye maame na papa o kompa ebu ma ne kwasi da ebo mpa ma Yeboah Agyekum Francis why we cannot afford to lose somebody like this abusunya be yi wato atwene abusunya be twa sinchen koso maame be ka wonti o papa be ka wonti we yi obi a watu si Ghana e de agye na abusunya for me na me ka che o we you obi e watu Ghana eje na busuafo de ne maame kan nye ne no otie se Ghana fo se Africa se wiase nyina ho beto no e na odi ati na ni so opese oye baabi asam ne kakon enya busuasam. Do you know the number of people who have died out of ignorance? Ye kan na kasa kire onua no nja de oye enye onu kwa na kosunye minua mese me obi anta wachi a memeta wachi koso na ye de oye no koso na ye de oye na Nyankopon ene bambofo Nyankopon ne bambofo ahweyi wo ho ba Nyankopon ebo ho ba eni nsam so ye Ghana ni na ahwe me na otimia okọ nkoto bia nim bia bompaye fata mi na chi na de woni mu Nyankopon de adua ni mu opeso ye boade ma adasama no watimi aye enti ne mama mesre so be mu wakoma abafam ohwe na app no na wontumi ntena so ye be send videos na mesre free app no so maye free app no so na ma wakoma emre fam se nyame a obo asaso nyame anku a hwi ni ho nipa da sani betima ya afa ho ade o ye nye nne na wo hya ase e bia nne na apie ma nipa nyina ehu ba me wate ase se wonim Yeboah wonim se nye nne na wo hye de o ye na ase enti mesre o ye Ghana ni a fampa bo eta mi na chi na mesre mama se mama ka wakoma tu yam se de o mo hye nkom hye bone na wo tene o hai no saa ne ye ka ase papa cho mi so obetene o hai enti tag Yeboah wo video na ase se ni nua ma be kasa meso onkoso nye de oye ne ye ta na chi Ghana nyina ta na chi eye nipa kakra bi pe ne hu ne sa ade na oye na ye bone esa omo selfish interest bi ombenya adie kwan bone so obefa so anya ne sika bi adie enu antira Ghana nipa dodo na esa omo ho yare abro omo nzi hospital mpo eba ne sampa wo ye doctor na to aban metua oka ukọ adwuma mpo na nipa amba aban metua oka oho beto entinka we ne bone ne sen ene nkomhye bone ene trati minua Nyankopon kwa ne bambofo Nyankopon bebo ho bai minim kan se emre bi beba Ghana fo ho beto mo Ghana fo benya nkwagie na Ghana fo ani beda ho media ne komna nya
at the end of the video me chere mo attack e ba me so na minim se Ghana fo mpa de papa sa me sen throw video mtu de like video na me chere ma de ampesa me chere me patro niema me chere no ho enye se bia me so intelligent person bia na me chere no I mean me a regular person Yeboah Agyekum Francis by assignment na nyame de ama me wa hwe me ache bia me start ade me ka kire mo se emre bia Nyankopon woni pa odi ne begina ho like video no nyame woni pa bia odi ne gina ho ma eboa man no wa wo yeskani a de me ye no ompe because wano aduane kakra bi esote wo de wanya aduane ne bi mpo odi na esote Ghana fo kuro ya na de aduane na hye wano na me kire Ghana fo niema ebeboa mo ama omo hu niema eya de papa so wo adwempa fa Ghana fo ho a eni kwan so ne Yeboah Agyekum Francis enya asem. The patrol meeting about regulations, say regulation, but I'm a biomedical scientist. I'm a medical laboratory scientist. I be a me performing surgery. The patrol me ma be a prescription. I learning, I teaching. Na me check Ghana for. We a medical doctor. Maybe you are very busy. You theater every day. As some me can de vazava maneuver. Ebi am me tell kurase one say that. O ma me akwadare wa fan so shedi kwa kwadare. Onu an blood pressure wo from. Se ma me ko fan so shedi san de gunu bebre. Na esan dilate ne vessels na pressure na dropping kwa obekona ma me awu to adware o enti de me ye no edu ba bi a no hu ni se enye se boy na gi ani munyam ko no ye mu no regulations o munyan tra me borders. I'm trying to teach a regular person what they are supposed to know that they don't know. I'm not an extraordinary person. I didn't get straight A in school, and the reason is that me ma na ye kire the actual exams no me ma na ye kire school the actual exams no me misua tra nye na misua ultimately because me say me waste to fast I didn't me I knew my calling. So as me catch me pastor long ago pastor me pastor Peter Akabre Pentecost Church. I told him, they called me in the mission house. Time me bible me team na say for yeah my memo dey say mo nti dey na me yase. I was doing something. Me go school med lab, me med lab no. Na me sua film studies. People don't know why. Me go med lab na me vice president as at level 200. It's not easy to the bag but much dey be even level 100 from baba me na me welcome me omo. I go to them and shape them with humility, because I knew I needed to raise money that I will be doing this, because I can't be here more facility wa nka say that more attacking nka mbokwa catch penny say only free ho. I do my own work, I do my own business. But me so risika because me sika me financial institution me tiase na ni brisika nka de me my pa. You don't know the company that has approached me but I don't give in. Company me bo wansam damela me hu papa na kuma pani sell or person obo Ghana. Very soon Ghanaians will start giving attention to people who genuinely want to help Ghanaians. Enti say we na be see me kwan a Nyankopon be bo wa hwe ho a yare e be ba oso no sika nya untimi ndi. Come and Ghana for it. The me no enye ma ho odim keke. Me ba me nka se follow me nka like me video no because followers ni hia me. The hia me say me video no be duru ma me bi o wa kurase I want the me kan da. Ma asema me kan me kan borofo me kwa che me kan twi because the target is woman na ya kan se no borofo I want da na ya bu anti wa he na didi ohena didi na pressure ama hospital kese a ho nto. Me pa che ulo na wo ton no ye nto bi ma na ye to. But just that quite say the city at least Ghana ni na wo pete wo do no bua no ono na Yeboah so bua ni wi na ho ato no enti mfa wo na misi kwan nyeta wo di nyame abufu hye na wo de ba wo so
enti sa be de busia ni etwagu adefa Yeboah Agyekum Francis ho no eno ne yakwakotia bana Ghana fo bi kyerese ne Yeboah Agyekum Francis ye no bibia bi adanse se eye nyame na yi na mo man Ghana fi se ye hwa na wi ya na kantanka ekoye wan na aka wo man Ghana wo de ye befa abode nhwehwemu mu ene abode nya asapemu ni ade eti so enya Yeboah Agyekum Francis bi ya wo no so ede ye fa nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ede afa abode se na obo ade bo na ade ne se ne enyema sitie amma nipa ate yarewo a edokɔ yen ase a anka dwuma pa ene wo ye na so ma bi e fe ne se Ghana ya emu abode pa kese pa baako eye PhD through him down no enumu ena Yeboah Agyekum Francis aba be pia eti se ne obi e foro kosra na ne o man no eye ene se e betwi nipa no ede aba for man Ghana kwa se enkoto egu baketim so bi betwe ne homa ne nua afra kosoro pa de o foro no na ye keka wo ne ye twe osan enu bi ena Yeboah Agyekum Francis afan ne ho ya wo mu ntine Ghana for esre ne se eye empire ena wo mu esre ede ma Yeboah Agyekum Francis ebusia mesre se won so obi do agenche e wo comment section ho ede ma all the social media handles no eye too much gh o subscribe like ya share na for so ne bi ahwe makra